In the previous session, we discussed about a frequency distribution and types of frequency distributions, that is, a discrete frequency distribution and a continuous frequency distribution. In this video, we shall discuss about formation of a discrete frequency distribution. While forming a discrete frequency distribution, we write three columns, that is, a variable column, a column of tally bars, and a column of frequency. In the first column, the value of a given variable are written without repetition in an order. For each value, a tally is marked against that value in the second column. In this way, scores are marked for all values. For easy counting, the allies are put as a group of 5. Finally, count the number of tally bars corresponding to each value in the variable in the third column. It is known as frequency. The total frequency n is equal to the total number of observation. Let us understand this by an example here. Okay. A survey of 40 families in a certain locality, the number of children per family was recorded and the following data were obtained. This was the data obtained. So this data contains 40 families having these many number of children. The numbers written here are number of children that particular family has. For example, this represents the first family. This family has one child. This position here refers to the second family. There the number written is 0. That means that the family has no children. Here the third position we have number 3. That means this is the third family, and here there are 3 children. This fourth position represents fourth family, and this family has 4 children. Like this 1, 5, 6, 2, 2, 1. These are the family that contains those many number of children written there. So 0 means no children, 1 means one child, 2 means 2 children, 3 means 3 children, 4 means 4 children, 5 and 6 means the same. Okay. Now we have to represent this data in a discrete frequency distribution. So first of all, we have to understand how to get to the conclusion whether the given data deserves a discrete frequency distribution or a continuous frequency distribution. So go for the range here. First, try to identify the lowest value here. In this data, the lowest value is 0. And try to identify the highest value here. So the highest value is 6. So if the range is smaller here, okay, that means we can write a discrete frequency distribution. Okay. Now we have to write the 3 columns here. One column of variable, another column of tally marks, another column of frequency. Let's look at it now. Okay, so what is our problem here? What is our given question here? In a survey of 40 families of a certain locality, the number of children per family was recorded. That means the number of this is a raw data here. Okay, this is ungrouped. This is raw data here. You have to classify this into groups so that you can easily understand. Okay, now I told you to take the range here. That is the lowest value and the highest value. So the lowest value is 0. The highest value is 6. So after the 0, what is the next lowest value? 1. After it 2. After it 3. After it 4. After it 5. And after it 6. That means in this data of 40 families, the number of children vary between 0 and 6. So either the families have 0 children, or they have 1 children, or they have 2 children, 3 children, 4 children, 5 children, or 6 children. Okay. This is how the variable has different values, 0 to 6. Let us assume that, or let us write x here, one variable x. That x represents number of children per family. That is your first column, variable. number of children 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, second column is tally mark, and the third column is frequency. This frequency represents number of families containing having these many number of children. Here 3 in front of 0 there is 3. That means 3 families have no children. In front of 1 there is 7. That means 7 families have only one child. In front of 2 there is 10. That means 10 families have exactly 2 children. Okay. Now after writing these 3 columns, you have to write the possible variable values here. Okay. So what is the lowest value? 0. After it 1. After it 2. After this one 3. After this one 4. After this one 5. After this one 6. Okay. So after that you are writing your tally mark here. So what is the tally mark? So it is something that makes you to identify the number of frequencies easily. Instead of going on counting, you can just strike a tally mark here. For example, in this data here, first value is 1. So in the table, wherever there is 1, strike a line like this in front of it. The next value is 0. Here in front of 0, strike a 1. Next, there is again 3. In front of 3, strike 1. Again, after 3, there is 2. So in front of 2, strike one tally here. Like this, you have to strike tallies here. Once 4 strikes are over, for the 5th strike, you have to put it like this. So this represents here a set of 5 values. Okay. So set of 5 values. After that, you can again continue with the next one here. After the 5th value, you can again continue the next one. Here see, 10 values are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the 5th value, you have to complete that set by striking the tally in the cross on the 4 tally marks. So that resembles your set of 5. This is how you strike a tally mark here. Okay. Once this is over, you have to count the number of tallies here. Here it is 3 tally marks. So 1, 2, 3. So you have written 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This horizontal line will be 5, 6, 7. So you are writing 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 6, 4 and 2. So that is equal to total should be 40. This total should be equal to the number given here. So that represents your formation of frequency distribution, discrete frequency distribution. Similarly, another example here. Okay. The number of teaching staff working in 20 different colleges were recorded below. The data given below here represents the number of teachers in that particular college here. The first number 15 it is the position of first college. Okay. So in a city they have taken 20 colleges. In that 20 colleges it is first college. In this college there are 15 teachers. In this college there are 12 teachers. That is the second college. In the third college it is 18. In the fourth college it is 10. There is a comma missing here. Assume that there is a comma there. The fourth college contains or has 10 teachers. The fifth college has 15 teachers. Sixth college has 12 teachers. Okay. This is your table. So identifying the lowest value here is 10. After that there will be 12. After it there is 15. Next is 18. Next is 20 and next is 25. So number of teaching staff is your x value, variable value. All the values are written here. Okay. And in front of them the respective tally marks are drawn, and these tally marks are counted and written as a frequency. So the grand total is 20. So these are the two examples of formation of a frequency distribution.